Okay, guys, we're back. I'm not as positive right now, but I will be just in a second. Okay, boys and girls, we're here today to do this. Okay, first things first. There's a new. There's the Bronco. Yeah, see? Here's my toolbox. It's just a toolbox. Look at it, there's the drill bit. So, it's just gonna be normal over here at the Paxton's toolbox. And here's my vice grips and pliers and stuff. So, it's only been like a minute, so yeah. Okay, well, I just ate food. Okay, oh yeah, so this is new. Pittsburgh sockets. Got like more sockets. Oh yeah. In Dad's toolbox tour, Dad got a whole new set of sockets for his toolbox. So he hasn't showed you them yet, so and I got those and have these. They're still gonna be. Oh, here's for tires and stuff. Yeah. I got right wrenches. Those are new. I still had the icons. Those should be in my original thing. Okay. More rights, and here's stuff. Whole new set of sockets right there. 2 new sockets right there. The set of impact sockets, which should be nice ready. And here's my pens and markers and stuff now. Where that moved. And I have a new ratchet. Here's my new ratchet. To Pittsburgh. What's a Pittsburgh? I should use those Pittsburgh stuff and stuff. I have looked at. I have some Gojo right there. So don't mind me. My air compressor, which was in the other video. Pretty nice air compressor. The battery charger back there. Most time my dad's recording, or he used to be. Dang. Can't show. You guys, new videos. You guys know here. You can go look at my old videos and stuff. And look at my toolbox too and stuff. This is just a rummage through it, and like, I'm not talking about everything, like I'm just, so, here's my screwdrivers and stuff. I got this. I have this screwdriver out. If you guys like want a screwdriver or something, get one of these. These things are made in USA, but you have to order them off of eBay or something. Cool. So, Stanley. Yeah. This is a Stanley made in Canada toolbox. Yes, Canada. The bottom drawer. You guys haven't really seen that organized. So, here's the date. Look, here it is. And some stuff back in there. That's part of my drill. There's the head for my drill. So like, there's the sawzall, there's the hammer. There's a part of my pressure washer. There's a light. Back in there. My battery charger back in the corner. Stuff, so yeah, I'm not really excited right now, but you guys will see other videos, which I'm not gonna have like any videos in a while. There's a reason. There's a reason for that. My dad's going out of town and I'm using my dad's phone. So that's why I'm gonna post a lot of these videos right now, but probably gonna be posting this many videos a lot. So there you go. Here's my Stanley made in Canada. Okay, there's the welding helmet. Okay, that's new. There's my funnels. Okay, that is new up there. I just got these. So this is what they are. These have been sitting on our shelf for the longest time. And I have the time. Dad gave them to me, my dad. Which, if you look in one of my previous videos, which I'm a lot more excited in, this is a 10-piece set, T-Hex. So, hex keys, they're pretty good. See, I'm not that excited right now, but I'm really excited to test it. These things were made in Taiwan, but yeah. But if you want to pick these things up on eBay or something, I guess you can pause to look at that. Look at all that. Look. Yeah, there's some things there. So guys, I'm here. So there's what's going on. So that's what's going on right now. The tiller, we used it. You guys need to watch the other videos we have. Like, yeah. But you guys, I said I was gonna get more excited. This isn't the end of the video. The volleyball is outside, where you left it. I'm making videos. So, you guys will see future videos with this whenever we get Scrum 400 finished, which is going to be soon. You can get new handle grips and another new stuff. So.
No, wait, stay upstairs.
Why, you can just go from downstairs.
So, are you guys okay with being on camera with your faces on YouTube?
No.
Okay.
You have to blur it out with your editing skills.
I don't have
take
any.
a fat shit.
Tina,
Oh my god.
Tina,
Stop recording.
Where's Dad's phone?
He said it was
right here.
Oh. Give it to me.
No,
Dad needs it.
I'm making videos.
So, Dad needs the phone.
So, here is my Suzuki, and there will be future videos on it. Don't mind my sister's
Ask Dad
language.
if you can have it back. Okay, Paxton.
Give it.
Paxton, take
Give me the
phone.
phone.
Paxton, take the phone upstairs and give it to Dad. Because Dad wants it.
Okay,
How you make somebody else use it.
so where is it?
Paxton, Dad said he wanted his phone, so you
I'm going.
I'm just saying.
Dad, can you